现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Taiwan used to be a mining country, and Miaoli's Nanzhuang Township was known as the coal mining town. But as the island's coal industry dried up, the region's youth started to leave looking for work. Now, however, the area has found a way to revive itself by turning these old mining facilities into tourist attractions, where visitors can see for themselves what the old mining life was like. Nanzhuang is like a portal to the past, where the sights, sounds, and even tastes of long ago are still alive and well.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。最近因为我爸爸开完刀，身体比较好了，常带他出去玩啊，然后就想说带他去南庄这边吃啊。然后我经过一个有点像是矿坑哦，然后他好像做成像是休闲矿坑了。
我知道你讲的哈，应该就是八卦栗煤田还有南庄煤田那个区域啦。那个在日本时代呢，南庄就号称是煤矿之乡哦。那个时候，这个南庄这边有20几家矿业的公司，就提供了上万个工作机会。
了解。
后来就没落了，
当然
年轻人都到外地去工作了，所以这几年呐，就慢慢吸引这些游子回乡来创业。所以呢，就有人在那个三湾乡的顶寮村这边哦，办了一个休闲的矿场，就结合原本以前的矿场的结构呢，然后呢，提供很多的矿场的周边产品，还有乡土教学，然后带大家进去矿坑体验一下矿坑生活。
哇，下次我应该找个时间再回到南庄来。
没错没错，而且啊，你也可以到那个南庄啊，去吃吃他们的山产啊。
对啊，
我有一句话可以教大家哦，就是跟南庄的水有关系哦。讲不讲南庄水，亲不亲故乡人，
就是讲不讲，就是美不美南庄水嘛。
对，
然后。
亲不亲故乡人
就是那边人也好，然后水又棒，
对，水质又棒，所以南庄出美女。
了解，那更应该要回去看看。
是的。
好了，那我们来教几个单词，包括我们这个煤矿 ，the coal mine 怎么说？
煤矿，
然后做出来的就是煤炭了嘛，对不对？那这又怎么说呢？
好，我们从那个坑道里头挖出来的，那叫做沙滩。但是我们一般家里头用的那是精致过的，叫做火炭。
OK， 有点是活炭的感觉了。Alright, so two different ways of saying the coal that you extract in its raw form. It's called satan, but when you use it at home, those coal is called
火炭。
Okay, now you know, and that does for this talk about Hakka.
什么太嘎？
自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.